In the second section, Nani really went for it. There was a moment during the second special when he went 14 seconds ahead of Peter Hansel, but due to the problem he had with his brakes, he decided to consolidate matters and not push things too hard. There's still another day, and he had to reserve strength and work on all sections of the track in order to rake in a few crucial seconds that could bring victory at the end.
This morning in the first stage at the 180 kilometers, I lost a lot of times in the back of Chichari. He's lost his stay in the task from him from 80 kilometers, and I lost a lot of time. But it's okay. I'm happy. It's a good fighter with Stefan. It's a nice race. It's a hot race, but I'm happy.